What is nature? Nature is the living world from which we came, our material predecessor and ancestor. Nature is our biology, our bodies, and the functions and instincts we possess. Nature governs our life cycle of birth, growth, reproduction, and death. Nature determines our basic needs, our physical capacities and limitations, and our many wants and desires. We feel a sense of beauty and awe seeing the natural world in all her intricacy and majesty. We are products of nature, evolved and adapted to the natural environment. From nature we derive our sense of health and well-being, and our own human nature.